State transportation officials are preparing the roads for the weekend.
We've seen them already. They've already begun spraying some roads. You're looking live at I-440 near Western Boulevard. They tell us they put a solution on I-440 earlier today.
Oh, they did. Wes, when should we expect, or what should we expect this weekend?
Hey, we might have it all, and while we are still expecting an event here, it looks to be more of a minor event. I think the bigger story this week, especially as we look back on it maybe next week, is how cold it is and was and is going to be tomorrow morning. But as for the precipitation, the timing of this event will bring it in late Saturday night, which means we get through the whole day without any precipitation. But it lasts through Sunday. Sunday is going to be a miserable day. I don't care what's coming out of the sky. Cold, breezy, and yes, every bit of precipitation we can name might be coming out of the sky. The amounts of snow only going to be an inch or less northwest of the triangle, and I'm really talking about Person County mainly. As far as the roads, this is really across most of the area with the exception of far northwest of the triangle. Most of them are just going to be wet. So that means, summarizing all that, this is more of a minor impact for us, a nuisance maybe. That also means there's going to be little to no schedule changes. There might be a couple church services that, just out of caution, cancel or delay. And there might be a couple school delays on Monday, but this is nothing like what we saw last month, nor are the temperatures. So the numbers we're going to have tomorrow morning could be the coldest of the season. Right now, it's not warm, 20s and 30s, and even those numbers are some 10 degrees colder than where we were last night. So if they're already colder now, you can imagine they're going to be colder by tomorrow morning. But we don't have the wind chill. That's kind of a double-edged sword. When you have the winds, it feels colder because of the wind chill, but that also stirs around the atmosphere and keeps it a little warmer. When you don't have the wind and you have clear skies, it gets colder. 24 is how many of us will start tomorrow as we leave for work and school. 29 by 9 a.m., 38 by noon, a high of only 43 degrees. And as I said earlier, yeah, it really was close to 70 just a few days ago, but it will not be tomorrow. So we once again need to hold on to images and thoughts that make us feel warm, like this super sunset from Ryan earlier this week when it was warm. He had a drone assist and he had a little bit of a lake pond assist there. Awesome reflection there as Mother Nature is just painting us a palette of 100 kinds of oranges. Looks great. I put this on my Twitter, Instagram, and Facebook page. And as always, if you've got a super sunset or sunrise, drop me an email to sendit@cbs17.com. I try to show them every night. All right, so we get into the weekend, and this, two parts of a system will merge together and head in our direction. But it is still looking like a mainly cold rain event for us. So we're going to go hour by hour through the weekend. I've also slapped the temperature up there because at some point freezing rain might become an issue. So we're going to keep an eye on that temperature. That's for the triangle as we go hour by hour through the weekend. So here we are Friday night. Really, the clouds haven't even arrived yet tomorrow. So we're sunny tomorrow. And look, here we are Saturday morning. We're dry, but we're cloudy. Saturday's going to be another cold day. We'll struggle to get into the low 40s, but here we are at lunchtime. Here we are at dinner time Saturday, and there might be some precipitation around us, but most of us are still dry. Then the sun sets, we get into late Saturday night, getting ready to go to bed. That's when we're going to start to see some precipitation fall. And initially, for some of us, it could start off as a mix. But look, here we are Sunday morning, which, as we all know, morning time is usually the coldest time of the day, and we're going to be right there around freezing, just above it in the triangle, but the farther north you go, as you know, gets colder. And that's why we could see Sunday morning that rain-snow line north of the triangle. A little bit of snow falling, maybe some sleet and freezing rain. That's where we could see the accumulation. And as we get into the afternoon, the precipitation starts to wrap up. Again, it's going to be another cold day, 37 degrees. So we might find some dry time, but it's not going to feel good outside. A couple concerns I have about all of this. Number one, some freezing rain. Not massive amounts, probably not enough to cause drastic power outages or widespread road issues, but a little bit could fall early in the hours of Sunday morning, again, mainly northwest of the triangle. For all of us, here's the big picture of what we can expect as of tonight. Our confidence in this is a little higher than it was 24 hours ago as we get closer to the event. Again, most of us is just a cold rain. That's south of the triangle, east of the triangle, along I-95 and in the Sandhills. So cold rain there. Mostly a cold rain, but maybe a little mix falling through kind of the Capitol Highway 1 corridor through the triangle. But even if we see some snowflakes fall, accumulation looks unlikely. And then that little bit of accumulation, maybe some freezing rain far northwest of the triangle. So that's what we're thinking at this point. We've still got another really 2 days of dry weather, but it's going to be dry and cold. Again, the wintry mix arrives late Saturday night. Sunday won't be pleasant at all. And then as we get into Monday, maybe a little leftover light snow. And then we get to dry weather Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday. And guys, look at that. We've got some 50s by Wednesday and Thursday.